Hi guys, it's me Mr. Hooch, and I had an idea to make one Education Perfect video which contains all three of my hacks. So I'll show you what it is just after this trailer. Hi guys, I hope you liked the trailer. So I'm going to show you the first one, how to get 1 million points on Education Perfect Edition 1. And you're going to need two things open, Education Perfect and Education Perfect Control Panel. Once you have Education Perfect Control Panel, you should have one of the options as Control Panel Education Perfect, and you'll open it up. As it opens, you can just choose realize that there are four options: Student Zone, My Usage Report, Assessment Results, and Content Library. Student Zone's just a link to get to Education Perfect. My Usage Report is just how much of Education Perfect you've used and your usage data. Assessment Results, view the results for your exams and class assessments. And Content Library just lets you make tests. So we're going to need this open, Content Library. Now you can close down Google and open up something called Excel. As Excel loads and you've made it a new workbook, you will know, if you've seen my other videos, what to do here. But this is before I found the second hack, so I'll show you just what I did here. You just typed in some letters here, and etc, 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 and the answers were always 0. So we'd make it 0. So after we've typed this in, we can select it all, Control C, which is copy, minimize it, and then open up Google and Content Library, back into the folder which was named A, and here add content, fact list, import from spreadsheet. You paste it, okay, and then you save the list, and you can call it whatever you feel like. Now, on to part 2,